So comparing the teacher, past, present, and the future. So in the past, before the K-12 era, the teacher in the past focuses on transmission of knowledge, often through lectures and rote memorization. The teacher in the past only uses chalkboard, textbooks, and limited visual aids. The role of the teacher is sole authority figure delivering information to passive students. So, compared to the present teacher, in the K-12 era, the teacher focuses developing critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration skills. The teacher uses interactive whiteboards, technology integration, and personalized learning platforms. The role of the teacher, a facilitator, guide, and mentor, encouraging students to engage and active learning. In compare of the teacher in the future, that should only focus on personalized learning pathways, AI-assisted instruction, and adaptive technology. The role of the teacher or coach, collaborator, and lifelong learner, guiding students through personalized learning experiences. So, the other one is comparing the student in the past, present, and future. So, in the past era, before the K-12, the learners are passive recipients of information, and they only have limited access to information only in the textbooks and classroom materials. The role of the learner is the passive observer expected to conform to traditional classroom norms. Compared to the student in the present or in the K-12 era, the learner is an active learner, engaging in critical thinking, problem solving, and collaborative work. And they have the resources to access to vast information through the internet and online learning platforms and digital tools. The role of the learners as an active participants are encouraged to explore and question and contribute. On the other hand, in the future, the student should be personalized learning in pathways, self-directed learning, and adaptive to technology. They can have any resources such as an AI-powered tutors or personalized learning platforms. And they should be a learner as a self-directed, lifelong learner, activity shaping their own education and experiences.